Hello, and we're joined by Autotechnician's friend and contributor Dee Blick at her book launch for her latest book here, How to Build an Authentic and Magnetic Personal Brand. And Dee is an international best-selling author, a marketing expert, and she's helped plenty of people in the trade. So we're here to get some tips. So Dee, can you tell us a bit more about your journey to this point of the book launch?
Yeah, I think I'm blessed that I've been 40 years in marketing, which even baffles me. 4 decades. It's the only career I've ever known. But I became known sort of locally, nationally, and also internationally as a shoestring marketer. So how can small businesses get great results on a shoestring budget? And I started really working with the automotive aftermarket, particularly technicians and motor factors 20 years ago. And I think what I learned is that most businesses are time poor and cash poor, and they can't afford to spend money on marketing tactics that won't deliver or that are super expensive. And that's why my books have all been geared to shoestring principles, where the biggest investment is their time over money. And this book, it's very much of the now, because we've seen with recent research that customers are putting off having their cars serviced. They're thinking twice about having repairs, and so workshops are having to work harder than ever. So how do they do it without a race to the bottom in terms of charging the lowest price? They do it by showing they've got a fantastic brand, and that's about paying more attention to assets other than just their logo. My book goes much deeper than that, but fundamentally it's a really practical route map to how a business can become much more successful, and by that I mean bottom line, by employing marketing on a shoestring budget and really taking branding to their heart rather than just focusing on their logo.
Yep. There's plenty of kind of like marketing savvy workshop owners out there that in recent years have used like kind of social media, events and things like that to kind of really push their brand and grow their brand. So we're hoping to inspire other workshop owners out there who are kind of like looking to boost business, because you'll be working and like contributing to Autotechnician from next year, and you'll be able to read more of her articles from January. So enjoy the book launch, and we will speak again soon.
That's lovely. Thanks, Nicola.